Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Michelle Lynch with eXp Realty. Happy Women's History Month to all the phenomenal women out there, to all the trailblazers and all the women who are achieving new goals and doing the impossible. I want to bring to your attention something very important to me. I sell houses here in the Atlanta area. I have seen so many things in the process of showing houses for other agents, or showing my own clients, or doing inspections, or hosting open houses, or just creating content in a home. And I noticed that there is so much of an influx of scams and women being targeted in this day and age. And I want you all to just be aware of your surroundings. Be intentional when you're going out, and make sure that in preparing for that open house, or preparing to wow your listing client or your buyer's client, you also take your safety and their safety into consideration, and you go above and beyond. I have since taken the liberty to hire to purchase my own firearm and get trained. And so that is my contribution to this month of March 2024, Women's History Month, is to remind all you women out there, as you're going and you're achieving your goals and you're checking all the things off of your bucket list, make sure that you fortify a safety measure for you and your family, for you and your clients, and just have an overall awareness of what's going on around you when you are hosting open houses. Make sure that you are careful and strategic in how you market, who you market to. Social media is a great tool, but it is also used to target women. It is also used to do the most horrific things to women. And so if you know, like I know, I'm not going down without a fight, and I don't want you all to either. But more importantly, prevention is better than cure. So don't put yourself in those compromising positions. Don't give someone a reason to try you. This is Michelle Lynch with eXp Realty, and I want to wish you all a safe and happy house hunting.